Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring this video to you guys today. If you are new to my channel, hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Anika and I'm an American living in London, and I love sharing my life online with you guys. And I have been sharing my life online for a number of years, but today's video is going to be kind of the same but kind of different because I am doing an unboxing for you today, as you can see from the title of this video. I know that on my channel, I spend a lot of time sharing my hobbies and what I get up to while living abroad. And a lot of that is like activities outside or just things that I do with my spare time. Now, for most of you, you do not know that I actually work in tech. And you might have figured this out from some of my previous videos when I talk about my UK visa and my route to becoming a citizen. But I do work in the tech software world here in London, and being in tech and being a female in tech, I really love lots of tech toys, lots of things I can do within the technology space. I love having the most up-to-date gear, the most up-to-date laptop, all of those things. But there's one thing that I just don't have and that I haven't been interested in for a number of years, but that is why I decided to purchase my first PlayStation 5. And so that is why today I am going to be unboxing my PlayStation 5. Oh my gosh, this box is massive. But basically, I am a big tech fan. I love the latest and greatest, but I have not actually had a PlayStation in my life. So I actually had a PlayStation growing up as a kid, but it was my sister's PlayStation. She's the one that asked my dad for it, and I just played on it. And believe it or not, the last time I played on a PlayStation was when Dance Dance Revolution was around. So it has been a hot minute since I have played any games on a PlayStation. And the PS5 is the latest and greatest when it comes to PlayStation's versions. And I actually looked this up during the pandemic because we were all stuck at home, and yeah, I wanted to maybe purchase this as entertainment, but I have come across a number of streams, both on Twitch, on YouTube, on TikTok, and I have seen a lot of these things going around called cozy games. Now, if you know what cozy games are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, but I have just realized what cozy games are and cozy gaming. And I've really come to learn that gaming is not just about race car driving or just about, Call of Duty or any sort of like action racing or action like gunplay kind of thing. I wanted to make sure that if I was going to get a gaming console, that there were going to be games that are tailored to my needs. And what I have to say about the entire gaming industry is that it has come a long way. I just think there are so many games out there that are so fun and so tailored to everyone's different taste. And that is why I decided to go ahead and purchase this PlayStation console. Now, this is the PlayStation Slim version, so it is slimmer of a console compared to the other PlayStation out there, but it also still has the CD-ROM because I wanted to make sure that I had the possibility of having games that are actually on a CD-ROM, but also games that I can download from the internet, which this console does. And if you want any of the details of this console or anything that I showcase in this video, I'll make sure to link it down in the description of this video. But I am totally new to this gaming world, and I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am to come along on this gaming adventure with me. If you are a gamer or if you are interested in gameplay or anything like that, I am considering doing live streams or Twitches as well. A Twitch stream, sorry, I'm learning the lingo. But I am considering doing like a live stream here on YouTube or a Twitch stream as well, maybe on TikTok someday. But if you are interested in any of that, I will actually link my Twitch handle down in the description of this video, but I might live stream here on YouTube as well. And I just hope that you guys are just as excited as I am. I'm excited to be a cozy gamer. And if you have any recommendations of cozy video games, please can you leave me a comment down below in the description of this video, because I really need to know what other games are out there. So a main reason for buying this console is actually I was missing Roller Coaster Tycoon. Now, I didn't have a PlayStation, as I mentioned earlier, but I did love computer games. And the last time I owned a PC was about 25 years ago, when it was my parents' computer and I just played games on it as a kid. And I had Roller Coaster Tycoon and I loved building these adventure theme parks. I just love building and I love like challenges like that. So if you have any other games that are like Roller Coaster Tycoon or easy cozy games or nice like storytelling games, I'm also considering the Hogwarts game as well. But anyways, I am just really excited to try out some of these games and really get into it and really start gaming. And I don't know, I'm really nervous. I hope I enjoy this as much as I'm thinking in my head. And if you are a female gamer out there or just a gamer that wants to share tips and tricks of someone getting started in this whole world of gameplay and gaming, please do leave me a comment down below so I know what to expect. But anyways, I know you are here to actually unbox this with me today, and I'm excited to show you what you get in a PS5 Slim version when you do purchase it. Now, I purchased this from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. Amazon was actually having a huge sale. There was like a 40-pound discount on it, and then also an additional 20 pounds when you checked out at the time I was purchasing because they had some sort of spring sale going. But yes, I purchased it because it was on sale and I was looking at it for quite some time and I decided to make the plunge and buy it. So let's unbox. Is it me or is it just super exciting to open new boxes? Maybe it's just me, but if you're also a big fan of unboxing things because you get to open them for the first time, let me know. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. So this is the actual box that it comes in. Okay, the first thing that I see is the power cord that you can see. This is the first thing in the box. And the next thing that you can see here is my controller. And I'm so excited. Can you just see me playing games? Like, whoop, whoop. I actually only have the one controller that the box comes with. The console only comes with one controller, and I decided not to purchase a second one, and I was told I'm kind of a crazy person to not purchase a second one. Should I purchase a second one? Let me know, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Okay, yeah, okay. This is also white, which is dangerous as a girl because I'm definitely gonna get stains on this, like makeup on here. But you know, I'm excited. Oh, this is the main console that's next and comes well wrapped. And here it is. Oh my gosh. This is the actual console. And you can see here on the side, there is a CD drive slot, but it is a beautiful and very slim. It is so sleek. It is white. I think it'll be a great contrast in my office. I'm so excited. Is there anything else in the box? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, what's left in the box is all of the paperwork, essentially. So this is just all of the PlayStation 5 safety guide and the quick start guide and things I'm not going to read because who reads things when there are YouTube videos explaining it all to you? Right, guys, that is everything that comes in a PlayStation 5 Slim console box. I am so excited to plug all of this in and actually play the game. I ordered a game that I think that a lot of people probably know, and I saw it across a lot of people, but it's called Taxi Life. And I know that this might not be exciting to a lot of people, but I think it's really cute and you get to just drive a taxi around. And again, I'm looking for those easy, like nice playing games that are just some way to unwind after a long day at work. And that is going to be my first game. I actually bought an accessory to play that game with, and I'm going to be unboxing it in the next video. So if you want to see the accessory that I did buy, please make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification so you know exactly when that video is going to go live. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this journey. I might not be the crazy gamer that a lot of people follow online, but I'm hoping to showcase life of someone who actually works a 9 to 5 and just wants to unwind and play some games after work. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I will link all of my following links down below if you want to see me game and what I get up to. Please make sure to follow along there. I will obviously show more videos on here as well. And I hope you guys are excited for this new hobby in my life. Anyways, guys, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye!